How to remove auto-renewal on GoDaddy tutorial. To remove auto-renewal on GoDaddy, you need to start by logging into your GoDaddy account. This can be done by navigating to the GoDaddy website and clicking on the Sign In button. Enter your username and password to access your account. Once you are logged in, click on your profile picture and then click on My Account. In the My Account section, click on the Renewals and Billing tab. This will take you to a page where you can manage all of your upcoming renewals. Scroll down to the Renewals section and click on the Active Renewals tab. This will show you all of the products that are set to auto-renew. Find the product that you want to remove auto-renewal from and click on the 3 dots next to it. A drop-down menu will appear with the option to turn off auto-renew. Click on the Turn Off Auto-Renew option to remove auto-renewal from the selected product. You will be asked to confirm that you want to turn off auto-renewal. Click on the Turn Off Auto-Renew button to confirm. The auto-renewal has now been removed from the selected product and you will no longer be charged for it when it expires. It is a good idea to review all of your upcoming renewals to ensure that auto-renewal is only enabled for the products that you want to keep. By following these steps, you can easily remove auto-renewal from your GoDaddy products and avoid unwanted charges.